Picture window installation in Richland Hills is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Our team of residential window experts in Richland Hills specializes in custom window designs that cater to your unique style and needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or double-pane windows, we offer a wide range of options, including Picture Windows Richland Hills, to suit your preferences. Energy-efficient windows in Richland Hills are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our window insulation services ensure that your home remains warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our window weatherproofing solutions and Picture Windows Richland Hills, you can protect your home from the elements and enjoy a more comfortable living environment year-round. Window frame replacement is a crucial aspect of maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our window frame replacement services in Richland Hills are designed to provide you with durable and aesthetically pleasing solutions. We offer vinyl window options in Picture Windows Richland Hills that are both stylish and long-lasting. Custom window designs in Richland Hills allow you to express your personal style while enhancing your home's curb appeal. Our window style consultation services help you choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. From traditional to modern styles, including Picture Windows Richland Hills, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Double-pane windows in Richland Hills are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. These windows provide an extra layer of protection against the elements and help maintain a peaceful indoor environment. Many homeowners pair them with Picture Windows Richland Hills to enhance natural light and views. Window glass installation in Richland Hills is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Our team of experts is skilled in addressing a variety of glass issues, from cracks to fogging. We provide efficient and reliable installation services for all window types, including Picture Windows Richland Hills. Home window upgrades in Richland Hills are a smart investment for enhancing your home's value and energy efficiency. Our window upgrade services include window seal replacement and window hardware replacement to ensure optimal performance. Many homeowners upgrade to Picture Windows Richland Hills to improve aesthetics and natural lighting. Window screen installation in Richland Hills is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Our installation services are tailored to fit your specific window dimensions, including custom fits for Picture Windows Richland Hills, providing a seamless addition to your home. Window weatherproofing in Richland Hills is crucial for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our weatherproofing solutions include window UV protection and window tinting options to shield your home from harmful sun rays. These solutions work especially well with Picture Windows Richland Hills to maintain comfort and efficiency. Window measurement services in Richland Hills ensure that your new windows fit perfectly and function optimally. Our precise measurement techniques guarantee a seamless installation process for all styles, including Picture Windows Richland Hills. Trust our local window contractors for accurate and reliable service. Discover the best Picture window installation services in Richland Hills, where our residential window experts provide top-notch window frame replacement and custom window designs. Our energy-efficient windows Richland Hills are designed to enhance your home's aesthetic while reducing energy costs. We proudly install Picture Windows Richland Hills along with double-pane windows to ensure superior insulation and comfort. For those seeking window glass installation Richland Hills, our team offers comprehensive home window upgrades and window seal replacement to maintain your window's integrity. Explore our vinyl window options Richland Hills, perfect for durable and low-maintenance solutions. Our services also include Picture Windows Richland Hills installations that enhance views and natural lighting. Our window-style consultation services in Richland Hills help you choose the perfect design to match your home's architecture. We offer window hardware replacement and window screen installation Richland Hills to enhance functionality and security. Our window weatherproofing Richland Hills services support installations such as picture windows Richland Hills to ensure long-term performance. Take advantage of our window measurement services Richland Hills to ensure a perfect fit for your new installations. Our window cleaning solutions Richland Hills keep your windows sparkling and clear, including picture windows Richland Hills. We also provide window tinting options and safety features to enhance comfort and protection. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest window design trends Richland Hills, and enjoy peace of mind with our window installation warranty Richland Hills. We offer flexible window replacement financing Richland Hills to make your projects more affordable. Trust our experts for installing picture windows Richland Hills and experience top-quality window services. Our local window contractors Richland Hills are dedicated to providing affordable window replacement without compromising quality. With our window noise reduction solutions, you can enjoy a quieter home environment. Our services include upgrades like picture windows Richland Hills, which maximize natural light while maintaining insulation. For window maintenance Richland Hills, our team provides valuable tips to keep your windows in top condition. Whether you need window hardware replacement or window screen installation, we also maintain and service picture windows Richland Hills for long-lasting performance. Choose our window measurement services Richland Hills for precise installations and benefit from our professional cleaning solutions for pristine windows. Our window tinting options offer style and functionality for large glass areas like picture windows Richland Hills, while safety features enhance your home's security and comfort.